We got a package.
We got a package. So I was gifted a subscription to Universal Yums, and my first box just came. I don't even know what country it is, but I'm super excited to open it up and see what's in here. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna try it with my little buddy here.
Hi.
Okay, so this is what's inside.
Is that
Hungry for More Yum Shop. Okay, our country is South Korea. So, super excited to see what's in here. Chocolate corn puffs. Shrimp chips. I like shrimp and I like chips, so I don't know how I like this though. A choco pie. Green tea chocolate pie. This kind of looks like the moon pies, like the little snack moon pies. These just look like little jelly candies, like peach jelly candies. Sweet and sour chewy strawberry. And I actually don't know what this is, but it has a picture of cake on it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this first, the shrimp chips, because I think this is the one that's, I don't know, that I'm most nervous about. So we're gonna get that out of the way. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, scoot closer so we can see. Having technical difficulties. Okay, you take one. Okay, wait for me. And I'm gonna take one, and we're gonna eat them.
I took the nibble. The taste, no, not so good.
So you said the taste is not so good?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't love it. I give it just okay. It's not delicious, but it's not horrible either. What do you think? Which rating would you give it?
Okay.
Just okay. That's fair. So, shrimp chips, just okay. I wouldn't go out and buy them, but they're not horrid. Okay, the next thing we're going to try is these chocolate corns. They kind of look like cheese puffs, except chocolate. So, I wonder if they're going to taste like that. We're going to see. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So, let's see. Ooh, these chip bags are giving me a run for my money today. Okay, so they're open. You take one, I'll take one, and we'll eat it together. You just said that because it's chocolate. Like, even before you really tasted it. This reminds me of Cocoa Puff cereal.
Yeah, it's really good. I don't know what to say.
I don't love Cocoa Puffs cereal. It's not bad, but if you like Cocoa Puff cereal, you'll like this. It actually tastes exactly like eating dry Cocoa Puff cereal. But you can have the rest. It's a little too of that fake chocolate taste for me. So Little Miss decides she wanted to join in on the fun too. So she's gonna try the choco corn puffs. Try those. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think they taste yummy or not so yummy. Do you like them? Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm.
So the next thing we're going to try is these jelly candies. It looks like they're peach flavored. I love peach flavored candy, so hopefully it's good. Okay, you ready to try these? Okay. We're going to each take one. This is what they look like. They almost look like they're juice filled, like those juice filled fruit snacks. Okay, we're going to try it. Oh, this is good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna rate these as delicious.
Me too.
Yeah, these are good. I like them. I guess we can stay on theme with our fruit flavored stuff and do this one next. You know, the packaging today has been really just giving me a run for my money. You got yours open. You taste it and say what you think. And I'm gonna taste one.
Is it a type of gum or no?
It's just a chewy candy, but it tastes really good. And it's not sour. It's good. So these remind me of a mix between Now and Laters and those Hi-Chews. I love Hi-Chews. These aren't quite as soft as Hi-Chews, but they're good. I like these. I actually want to find some of these in a store somewhere. If you know where I can get some of these in a store in the States, I would love to try it if they have other like flavors, because I really like these. Okay, and try those and tell me if you think they're yummy. You don't like those? Okay. Don't put it back in there. Okay, so next we're gonna try these. It's upside down. So I was wondering why we have an Italian style snack and it's supposed to be a box from Korea. But if you look on the back, it said it was made in Korea. So maybe that's why it came in this box, but we're gonna try it. So we're gonna open them up. And it's basically just like a cookie, like a wafer. It comes individually packaged. Just like a wafer with cream in the middle. I definitely just broke it and made a mess. 1 second. Okay, you ready to try it now?
Yes.
Okay. You like it? You like it a lot? It's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's very light and buttery of a cookie. And it's such a thin layer of cream in the middle. It's not too heavy. I like it. So, here we go. We're going to see how this works. So, yeah. It looks like these little moon pies you find in the grocery store. Here, you try some? You don't want to try it? And so. Yeah, I am learning about myself that while I do like drinking green tea, I don't really care for green tea flavored things. No. This is a no from me. So definitely the favorite was those sour strawberry, like almost like Hi-Chew Annihilator type things. Really like those. Second favorite, these cookies with the cream inside. Bomb. I want to say next for me was the peach gummies. I think third for the kids will probably be the Choco Puffs though. But so one thing I really like about this box is it came with a little snack guide that tells you about each of the snacks. I honestly wish we had started looking through this book before we started taste testing stuff, because they have like trivia and different information about the snacks that are included in the box.
That's all for now. Bye-bye.